What's up, everyone? Welcome back to RGSecurityTeam. Today, we're taking a visual journey into one of the most powerful post-exploitation frameworks, PowerShell Empire. But we're not using the command line client. Today, we're using the graphical web interface to see the entire attack unfold right in our browser. Before we dive into this demonstration of PowerShell Empire, I need to state a critical disclaimer. The tools, techniques, and commands shown in this video are extremely powerful and can cause significant harm if misused. This content is presented for educational and ethical purposes only. Getting started is simple. Empire comes with a built-in WEB GUI. All we need to do is start the server. Open your terminal and run the command. Default username is Empire Admin, and password is password123. We need a listener. Click on the Listeners tab on the left. This is where we configure how our server will communicate with compromised agents. To create a new one, click the Create button in the top right. In this menu, we give our listener a name. For the type, we'll stick with the reliable HTTP. The host should be your Kali machine's IP address. Fill that in, and then hit Submit. Now we need a payload to get a foothold on a Windows machine. Click on the Stagers tab. These are the files we'll use to trick a target. Click Create again. A new dialog appears. For the stager type, let's scroll down and select Windows/HTA. For the listener, this is the cool part. We simply select our GUI listener from the drop-down menu. Let's navigate to the Agents tab. This is where we'll see any machines that run our stager and call back to us. And look, a new agent has just checked in. You can see its name, internal IP address, and username it's running under. This is our gateway into the target system. Click on the agent's name to select it and interact with it.
Take a seat, you cannot stand it. All I know, the flow harder than a Scotch bonnet. Don't try studying me, you cannot manage. This ain't what you want, bitch, I'm a fucking phenomenon. This ain't what you want, bitch, I'm a fucking phenomenon.
If you enjoyed this GUI-powered deep dive into PowerShell Empire, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe RGSecurityTeam for more visual ethical hacking tutorials. Let me know in the comments what other tools you'd like to see with a GUI walkthrough. Thanks for watching and stay curious.